Yo, what's good producers? It's your boy Mikasa here from Certified Producer, and welcome to the Streaming Success Marketing course. This is the course. This course is about streaming platforms, how to upload on streaming platforms, how to monetize your streams and stuff. I'll be guys showing you all everything from scratch, uh, from uploading, what tools do you need to use, how to monetize your streams, how to gain more views, streams, how to build your fan base, how to get on the playlists on Spotify, which is really important. A very good thing for building your fan base. How to find covers, album covers for your albums, tracks and stuff. How you can track, how you can get the Spotify, what tools do you need to use, and it's more and more. So like this is gonna be like for everything from scratch about streaming platforms. So guys, I will put the PDF file in the link in the description. So guys, you won't waste your time looking for the tools, looking for a website or stuff like that. Whatever I say in the video is gonna be in the PDF file, so you guys won't waste time looking for those things. I'll guys let you know, and you will have like everything in the PDF file, so you won't waste time looking for something. So yeah, that's gonna be it for a little introduction, and I'm about to see you in the next video. Users, welcome to the second video, and I will probably call this video like rule number 1. So before you start releasing, before you start sharing, before you start marketing the beats and stuff, there is like a rule number 1. You have to make good beats, right? Like everyone likes good music, especially like a quality music. Like a focus on the quality before like anything else. Make sure your beats sound very good, like a very quality beats. Like at the end of the day, it's gonna be uploaded, published on Spotify, Deezer, Apple Music, everywhere. So like you have to tell your fan base that you make quality music. Now, if you don't know how to make good music, if you are struggling with something, if you maybe never see the feedback, if your beat sounds good, bad, if your arrangement sucks and stuff, no worries guys. Also, we are offering a VIP coaching program. The program is about helping music producers about everything, about the beats, about music production, about how to make melodies, how to arrange your beats, how to mix your beats, and more. Like basically from scratch. You don't need any level of knowledge for that, because we are helping like beginners, advanced producers, and intermediate producers. So like if you are not sure and stuff, I'll be guys leaving the PDF file for that, so you can guys check it out. Now, so like as I said, the beats must sound good, very good, quality beats, and that's pretty much it. You have to arrange your beats good, to mix your beats good, to make good melodies and stuff, to actually start gaining views, streams. Also, the second thing is about try to pick your genre. For example, if you are a trap music producer, if you like to make trap beats, I will stick with the trap beats. Maybe you can pick 1 to 2 genres, but I will just say, yeah, as I said, pick 1 to 2 genres. For example, I have 2 channels, 2 Spotify accounts, whatever you want to call it. One account is for my regular beats, the beats I'm making when the regular beats that I'm making, and the second one is for my lo-fi and only lo-fi beats. Maybe you can do that as well, but you will guys all see more in details. These are just like the things that you have to focus on before you actually start releasing the music. So the rule number 1, quality beats, and the rule number 2, pick your niche. Try to find 1 to 2, 3, 1, 2 beats that you usually make and stick with that. Okay guys, that's gonna be pretty much it for this lecture. I'm about to see the next video. Okay guys, welcome again. After you set up everything, after you have beats ready to release, now it's time to choose your distributor. In other words, you need someone to publish your beats on Spotify, YouTube, Apple Music, Amazon, everything, all streaming platforms. And now I choose 3 most popular platforms, distributors for you guys. As I said, I will put the PDF files for these websites so you can guys check it out by yourself. Me personally, I'm using DistroKid, and I'll be talking about more about DistroKid, but that doesn't have to be the case, right? Everything is the same process, right? Like whatever you are using about these here, maybe if you are already using some of these, or if you are not using, doesn't matter. Like, I think all of these websites has like their weaknesses and powers and stuff, benefits, but mostly like your job is like, to release the music. I mean, their job is to release the music, your job is to make good beats, to deliver what people likes. Now, there are three most popular distributors: DistroKid, TuneCore, and CD Baby. Maybe there are more, I think, but I chose these three because I think they are the best options for you guys. So you can guys check it out. I'll put the link in the description. As I said, I'm using DistroKid, but you can guys pick any of these. Now you have to decide which one are you going for. You can see the prices here. What they have, what they got to offer, distributor, licensing, everything. So guys, like take a few minutes, check out what they have to offer, and I'm about to see you in the next video. Welcome again. Here we are in DistroKid. Now if you choose any other distributor, it's good, but now, as I said, I'll just be talking about more about DistroKid. Now let's just talk about the benefits. Like before we start uploading the music, let's just talk what DistroKid has to offer. Okay, let's check out the upgrade here. Okay, the DistroKid offers 3 plans: Musician Plus, Musician, and Ultimate. I'm using Musician Plus. I'll tell you why. But now, also, like, here's also a trick. I think when you register on DistroKid and stuff, you made account and stuff, I think they will send you the email of the discount. So you will receive a discount around like a 35% or 40%. I think something around that. I think I received 40%. So I got the Musician Plus for $23, and it's billed annually. As you can see, you just paid you just pay for 1 year, and you can upload as many songs, beats you want, stuff. It doesn't have to be the beats, right? If you are a rapper, you can upload rapping and stuff. So as I said, I'm using Musician Plus. Why the Musician Plus is good, because you can check out the stats, which is really important, so you can track what your audience is listening to and stuff. And the most important thing is that this customized release date. This is gonna help you to pitch the song for a Spotify playlist, and whenever you release a song 1 or 2 or 3 weeks before release time, like in future, you have a higher chance to get into the playlist, where I'm about to talk about more in details. Now, this is Musician Plus. I think you can guys also check it out on their website, what they got to offer, but I just told you what are the major things for the Musician Plus. Now you can check out the stats, bank and stuff, music. Also, now I think all other streaming platforms offer this. I think all other distributors offer this, but in DistroKid you got this special access. So now you can make Spotify for artists. You can manage your Spotify account. You can manage your Apple Music. You can manage your YouTube official artist. I mean, you can upload there. You can just check it out, and you'll get that mark that you are an artist. Twitch, if you are using Twitch and stuff. Now they also offer like a playlisters. This is Ultimate for Ultimate plan. Wheel of playlist, playlist spotlight, but I'll be talking about more in details when you're about to talk about the playlist. Now promote yourself. They got mini videos and stuff. As I said, for access, you can like adjust your music, Spotify canvas, credits and stuff. You can protect your music, and these are some things. If you are having some problems, you can guys check them out. So yeah, these are the most major things for a distro kit. Now, you just like make sure you just to fill everything out, to fill everything what is needed, like passwords, email. You can link your socials, payout method, credit card, everything that you guys just fill that, fill the major things, and yeah, I'll be guys. See you in the next video. Welcome again. In this video, I'm about to show you exactly from scratch how to upload the beat, the instrumental, the song, whatever you want to upload. It's very simple. Okay, after you are here in DistroKit, simply click, you can simply click here in the blue button, upload music. Click here. Now, first you can decide on which services you want to upload your music. I leave it like this, like I have released it everywhere, bro. Like I let people hear for you. Now, if you have an album, you can pick how many songs you want to upload to release. But if it's only one track, simply click one song, a single. If you already have somewhere this song, just click yes and choose the day that you first released your song. Now, if you have two artists, choose between one of them, Picasso Beats and Enemy. Choose the one you want to upload that song. Here's the thing. First, you want to upload one beat. Don't set release time. Don't let like anything like just upload something like and release it. Like I don't set the release time. Just like I release it. Why? Because you just want to like Spotify. Notices you like it can maybe take like 3 days, around 3 days. Before before you are set on Spotify, Apple Music and stuff, and then you can make your Spotify for artists, Apple Music for artists and stuff like that. So like I just upload one song, leave it 3 to 4 days, and then you come back here, go to special access and Spotify for artists, and then you can claim your account. I'll be talking more about details for Spotify. Now you can put here release date, but for the first song, just like upload it at the same day, leave it 3 to 4 days, and then make account for Spotify, stuff, connect everything, and then you can decide your release dates. A record label, you can type your own. Language English. Primary genre, you can decide what genre is your song. Is it hip hop, rap, or K-pop, jazz, whatever. There's also secondary genre, you can as well pick that. Now, cover album. If you don't have cover albums and stuff, I'll be showing you guys here and how to get covers for your albums. Also, put the track name only. You can also see the details here that you cannot use in your track name. If you are with someone collabing and stuff, you can just add future artist. Version, this is normal version, but if you have like another version of the track, you can simply click other and type the version, like a summer version, as you can see and stuff. Now you can just click here, upload your track. That's it. Atmos, you can check it out here. This is I have nothing uploaded here, so simply click no. Songwriter, I made this song. Now, if this is only the beat, you should choose music. If it's like a music and lyrics, choose that. Type your name here. Fill this. No lyrics. If you are uploading a beat, make sure you click no lyrics. Is this already added? No. This is clean. Is this instrumental? If it's yes, click yes. This song is instrumental. If it's no, then leave this. And then you can preview your clip. Start time, you can decide which part is good for TikTok and stuff, and you can simply leave it and let streaming services decide. If you're as well, if you are Musician Plus, you can choose the starting price for iTunes, and that's it. Now, after you made everything, just click everything here. Of course, I want to just make sure to check it out, read it as well. Also, you have all these options here. I'll guys leave it to you. Me personally, I don't use any of these, but you can guys check it out. Maybe there is something for you that you maybe want to upgrade it even more. And yeah, that's pretty much it. After you finish everything, just simply click done, and that's it. Leave it a few days before you see your first song on all streaming platforms. Okay guys, that's gonna be it for this video. In the next video, I'm about to talk about how to find covers for your albums. Peace.